Ethereum value equivalent to $1,634.08 a coin, or so they really thought. The present exchanged cost range, $1,631.95–$1,649.59 in a sort of large manner. The earlier day close, $1,641.47. Incredibly, the change was 7.39, 0.45%, which especially is genuinely critical. Backwards rate, United States dollars to ETH in a kind of significant manner. Ethereum value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Cost $1685. Most certainly greatest $1803. By and large least $1567 in an extremely enormous manner. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, walk 1. Cost $1671. In every way that really matters. Most extreme $1788. Kind of least $1554. Or so they especially thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2, cost $1624. Really greatest $1738, in every practical sense, least $1510, which essentially is very critical. Ethereum estimate on Friday, walk 3, cost $1637, fundamentally most extreme $1752, lovely least $1522. Which in a real sense is very critical. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, walk 6, cost $1615, greatest $1728, sort of least $1502. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $1573, essentially most extreme $1683, beautiful least $1463, showing that Ethereum value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Cost $1685, in every practical sense, greatest $1803, kind of least $1567 in a really significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $1599, beautiful most extreme $1711, in every way that really matters, least $1487 in a sort of significant way. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, walk 9, cost $1578, kind of greatest $1688, kind of least $1468, showing that Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $1573, fundamentally most extreme $1683, genuinely least $1463, exhibiting that Ethereum value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28, cost $1685. Certainly most extreme $1803, genuinely least $1567, or so they by and large thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost $1582, kind of most extreme $1693, least $1471 in a huge way. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Monday, walk 13, cost $1622, essentially greatest $1736, truly least $1508, or so they for the most part thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $1591, certainly greatest $1702, by and large least $1480, which for the most part is very critical. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $1730, in every way that really matters, most extreme $1851 in every practical sense, least $1609. Which especially is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost $1785, greatest $1910, certainly least $1660. Ethereum gauge on Friday, walk 17, cost $1765, especially most extreme $1889, certainly least $1641 in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, walk 20, cost $1748, truly most extreme $1870, kind of least $1626 in an essentially enormous manner. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $1768, by and large greatest $1892, for the most part least $1644, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $1732, sort of most extreme $1853. Least $1611, or so they especially thought. Ethereum figure on Thursday, walk 23, cost $1620, most extreme $1733, fundamentally least $1507, or so they certainly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $1588, in every way that really matters, greatest $1699, kind of least 1477 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month. Ethereum gauge on Monday, walk 27, cost 1654 bucks, most certainly greatest 1770, truly least 1538. Or so they essentially thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 1635 bucks, kind of greatest 1749, especially least 1521 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, walk 29, cost 1612 bucks, by and large most extreme 1725, truly least 1499 in a kind of significant manner. United States dollars to ETH swapping scale in every way that really matters, equivalent to 0.6120 coins per 1,000 bucks in every way that really matters, enormous way. Today's reach, 0.6062 0.6128. Which certainly is genuinely critical. The past AS nearby, 0.6092, which generally is very huge. Change for now plus 0.0028, plus 0.46%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, February 28, cost 0.593 coins, kind of most extreme 0.638, essentially least 0.555. Showing how Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 1768 bucks, lovely greatest 1892, beautiful least 1644, which especially is genuinely critical. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Wednesday, walk 1, cost 0.598 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.644, especially least 0.559 in an exceptionally significant way. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Thursday, walk 2, cost 0.616 coins, really greatest 0.662, especially least 0.575, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Friday, walk 3, cost 0.611 coins, all things considered, greatest 0.657, genuinely least 0.571. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, walk 6, cost 0.619 coins, especially most extreme 0.666, sort of least 0.579, or so they especially thought. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 0.636 coins, truly greatest 0.684, truly least 0.594. Which generally is very huge. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 0.625 coins, extremely greatest 0.672, especially least 0.584 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, walk 9, cost 0.634 coins, especially greatest 0.681, least 0.592, for the most part further